Hello, everybody. This is Tanya, and I'm coming to you today with a job lead from the company of Attentive. And Attentive is looking for a client support specialist. And also, the great news about this position is it's no phones. So you don't have to talk on the phone. You don't have to have so many calls per day. You don't have to worry about that KPI or that metric where you have to have so many calls per day. This is a non-phone position, something that you've been asking for, and I've been able to find you more of them. So you're going to mainly be dealing with chat and email. Let's take a quick peek into this job lead. So what they're looking for is someone who will be owning the interface, the interaction from inception to resolution via email and live chat. Leave a like, subscribe, smash the notifications to stay notified. Make sure to do all three. This keeps you in the loop with my latest info, tips, and leads, giving you what you came to receive. Okay, so here we are, and they are looking for the client support specialist. It is full-time, and this is for the United States. Stay tuned because I do have positions that are all over the world. So Attentive is the leader in conversational commerce, reinventing business to consumer communication. Our SMS first software platform helps everyone from entrepreneurs to enterprises strengthen relationships with their consumers in a new way. Through two-way, real-time, personalized communications, we drive billions in e-commerce revenue and over 8,000 leading brands like CB2, Urban Outfitters, Crocs, Jack in the Box, and Coach rely on Attentive to deliver powerful commerce experiences. So let's see, they've been recognized by Duluth's Fast 500, LinkedIn's top startups, Forbes Cloud 100. So they're saying that this is all happening because of their global employees. We are looking for a driven candidate to join our team as a client customer specialist, support specialist. You will be the first responder to Attentive's entire client base, troubleshooting and resolving technical issues, and helping to reduce and remove friction between our clients and their use of the platform. This role is the face of our product experience and delivers the most outstanding product support in the industry. This role is a combination of high-level professional communication skills and the ability to analyze, troubleshoot, and resolve complex technical issues. So you're going to interface directly with the clients on a daily basis. And this is going to be via email and live chat. You're going to provide fast and accurate resolutions for issues they might encounter. This role is supporting our clients and teams between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you must live within those time zones. So you're going to be attentive to the client's needs via email and live chat, owning the interaction from inception to resolution. You're going to troubleshoot technical platform issues. You're going to advise their clients on best practices with the Attentive platform and its use cases. You're going to assist the clients with urgent needs and help usher them to the best solutions and across the platforms and the business. You're going to act as first line of defense for triaging and debugging platform health issues. You're going to exceed client expectations on response quality, timeliness of responses, and overall customer experience. Continuously train to become an expert on the Attentive platform, mobile marketing, and the e-commerce industry. Help translate customer feedback into specific product requirements. So they need for you to have a year of experience, a 4-year bachelor's degree, keen interest in startups, software, and entrepreneurism, loves working in fast-paced environments, ability to navigate through ambiguity, extremely detail-oriented and organized, experience navigating complex work processes, tight timelines, and changing teams, comfortable learning new software for design, data management, and internal tools, a strong growth mindset, prior experience in customer-based preferred, and customer support is preferred. And then this is their compensation package. They have health and wellness to equity packages. And then their pay per year is $48,000 to $60,000 per year. And that's for the U.S. Now, it doesn't state for anywhere else, but it did say that it was U.S. based, so yeah. Attentive company values. Default to action. Speed is our best offense and defense. Never settle. Continuously raise the bar for yourself and your teammates. Hard work solves big problems. Success requires grit and resilience. Be attentive. Work together as a team to drive greatness for our company and our customers. And you can learn more about AWAKE, which is Attentive's collective of company resource groups. And I'm going to allow for you to read the rest of the information so you can become familiar with it yourself, being that you are going to apply for this position. And I thank you for taking out your time and listening to me today. And you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. And I will be having more up-to-date and latest info, tips, jobs, and leads for you. Have a great day. And I will be speaking with you soon. Thank you for your time. Peace.